Imagine this. You're spending hours glued to your screens, chasing every tiny wiggle on 5-minute charts, convinced that the faster you trade, the more money you'll make. Yet your account keeps bleeding out trade after trade, while other traders quietly build lasting wealth without the constant stress and emotional roller coaster. The shocking truth that 99% of traders refuse to accept? Trading faster doesn't mean making more money. In fact, it's often the guaranteed recipe for losing everything. In this video, I'm going to reveal why professional traders abandoned short time frames years ago and why the 4-hour chart is the secret weapon that turns struggling amateurs into consistent profit machines. If you're tired of emotional losses, fake signals, and sleepless nights, stick around until the end, because what you're about to discover could completely transform your trading forever. Amateur traders are absolutely convinced that the 5-minute chart holds the key to quick and consistent profits. They spend their days staring at the screen, jumping on every little oscillation, believing that frantic activity equals real skill. But professionals know it's a vicious trap designed to drain your capital through emotional noise and the endless fake signals that dominate short time frames. I've watched thousands of traders blow up their accounts chasing these micro movements. The pattern is always the same. They enter with total conviction, exit in panic driven by fear, and promise themselves they'll do better next time. But they never do, because they're fighting a losing battle against their own psychology and the relentless market noise. The 4-hour chart isn't just a different time frame, it's an entirely different trading philosophy, a complete identity shift. It demands patience when every instinct screams for immediate action. It forces you to wait for solid confirmations instead of acting on impulses. Here's the harsh reality. Nearly every professional trader ditched the 5-minute chart, not because they couldn't read it, but because they finally understood the massive cost. Every tick, every minor correction on a short time frame creates an illusory decision point. Your brain turns pure noise into false signals. Your ego mistakes speed for mastery. Meanwhile, the 4-hour chart filters out all that psychological chaos and highlights what truly matters: genuine pivot points, real trend confirmations, and risk-reward ratios that heavily favor the patient trader. The amateur trades the 5-minute because it feels active, like they're in the thick of the action. The professional chooses the 4-hour because it simply works better, delivering measurable, sustainable results. But what most trading educators will never tell you is that switching time frames is easy in theory. The real challenge is rewiring your psychology to handle the waiting, to ignore imperfect setups that trigger constant FOMO. It means accepting long stretches of hours where nothing happens, passing on quick, small wins that would ultimately erode your long-term edge. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the 4-hour chart is where pros build their fortunes and why the 5-minute chart is the graveyard of amateur accounts. Let's dive deep into the noise trap, that invisible force betraying your brain on fast charts. It's not some market accident, it's hardwired into your evolutionary neurobiology, and understanding this mechanism is the first step to breaking free from it for good. Picture a scene you've probably lived through dozens of times. It's 2:47 p.m. You're intensely staring at your 5-minute chart. Price taps a key support level. Your heart races. Every indicator looks perfectly aligned for a bullish bounce. Conviction is sky high, so you load up the position heavy. Then, brutally, price rejects and drops lower. Your stop gets hit in minutes, and just like that, 2% of your account vanishes. The amateur tells himself, "I'll make it back on the next one." The professional never even entered. Why? Because the 5-minute chart is 80% pure noise and only 20% real signal. The 4-hour chart completely flips that ratio, delivering the clarity that protects your capital. On short time frames, price bounces around micro supports and resistances that mean absolutely nothing in the bigger picture. Your brain, this incredible evolutionary machine built for pattern recognition to survive in the wild, sees these oscillations as legitimate opportunities. That ancient survival skill that saved your ancestors from predators has become your worst enemy in modern trading. Every little wave spikes cortisol, every reversal triggers raw fear, every bounce awakens insatiable greed. You're battling your own biology on every single trade, turning trading into an exhausting emotional war. The 4-hour chart completely neutralizes this neurological trap. By zooming out, the noise compresses into visual irrelevance. Fake signals collapse on their own, revealing true market structures, support zones built over weeks or months, resistances tested multiple times with real conviction, trend confirmations that actually move your account balance. Take Marcus, a trader I knew personally. He spent 2 grueling years grinding the 5-minute chart every day. Some months were profitable, sure, but his drawdowns were brutal and unpredictable. 3 winning weeks adding $6,000, followed by 2 catastrophic, impulsive days that wiped it all out. His account swung wildly, $45,000 one week, down to $38,000, up to $52,000, then crashing to $31,000. The emotional toll was unsustainable. When Marcus finally switched exclusively to the 4-hour chart, the results were counterintuitive at first. His win rate dropped from 62% to 48%, but that's where the magic happened. His average winners exploded by 340%, jumping from $800 to over $3,500, while average losers shrank by 65%. His profit factor soared to nearly 3. Why? Because he stopped fighting noise. He started trading real structure, waiting for high-probability setups instead of emotional visual triggers. The pro maxim: less frequency, more deep conviction. That's their secret pact, to trade less but infinitely better. This principle goes beyond Marcus's story. It's embedded in how markets truly work and how human psychology reacts to visual information. Let's dig deeper into the neurobiology so you understand exactly why your brain sabotages you on short time frames. When you stare at a 5-minute chart, your reticular activating system, the part responsible for rapid pattern detection, goes into overdrive. Evolved to spot predators in tall grass, it makes you see non-existent patterns. A small bounce becomes confirmation. A minor dip looks like an imminent reversal. Your amygdala floods the system with cortisol and adrenaline. Heart rate spikes, palms sweat. Neurologically, your brain treats the chart like a life-threatening predator. In this fight-or-flight state, decisions aren't rational anymore. You exit winners too early, fearing the loss of that dopamine rush. You hold losers too long, desperately hoping for recovery. The 4-hour chart eliminates this neurological hijacking. Setups develop over hours with no immediate threat. Your prefrontal cortex, the logical strategic center, stays in full control. You think clearly. You wait patiently. You skip mediocre setups without devastating FOMO. That's why pros always look so calm. They've engineered their time frame choice to avoid the emotional conditions that destroy most traders. Most people fail the switch because they keep the short time frame open in another tab, telling themselves just to check. Pure self-sabotage. Your brain will rationalize impulsive entries. The pros I've interviewed all do the same. They close access to lower time frames completely, some even using software that blocks it. Extreme? No, it's rigorous psychological protection. Now let's move into the confirmation protocol, the repeatable system pros use on the 4-hour chart to separate real setups from the illusions your brain creates. What pros look for is radically simpler than most educators make it seem. First, the pivot point. a level where price reversed significantly multiple times over weeks or months, tested at least 2 or 3 times. When price approaches again, attention rises, but no jumping in. Second, confirmation through multi-candle structure, not just a touch, but respect shown across several consecutive 4-hour candles. Let's anchor this with real numbers. Imagine a stock ranging between $40 and $50 with clear support at $40. The amateur buys at $40.50 on the 5-minute, risking $2 per share, targeting $45. The ratio looks perfect at 1 to 2.5 on paper, but that level generated 7 fake touches in 2 weeks, hitting stops 4 times for minus $800 total. The pro waits for strong closes above the 40 to 42 zone across multiple 4-hour candles. Same risk, but probability tripled thanks to confirmed structure. The protocol: identify the multi-tested pivot, wait for multi-candle confirmation, risk max 1 to 2%, target at least 2x risk. The setup must prove itself before you commit capital. On 4-hour, you get real proof. On 5-minute, just hope disguised as analysis. The counterintuitive truth that separates millionaires from account blow-ups: doing nothing is sometimes the best trade you'll ever make. The amateur sees inactivity as failure. The pro sees it as pure discipline. I skipped 7 imperfect setups today and protected 7% of my capital. The patience paradox is profound. The more you skip, the higher your win rate climbs. The more you chase, the more you lose to noise. Sarah, a trader I know, kept a pass log for 3 months, recording every setup she ignored and why. Result: 73% of those 87 setups would have lost, saving her roughly $8,500 in potential losses. The pro maxim: the best trade is the one that fully meets your criteria. Everything else is a deadly distraction. Everything now converges into this final understanding. You've mastered 4 essential truths. Speed destroys accounts, noise creates fake signals, protocols eliminate guesswork, and patience is your ultimate weapon. But knowledge without execution is just theory. Here's how pros build their sustainable 4-hour edge. First, embrace it as identity. I am a 4-hour trader, not a temporary experiment. This stops impulsive scans on lower time frames. Second, rigid checklist before every entry. Multi-tested pivot, multi-candle confirmation, risk 1 to 2%, target minimum 2x risk. 1 no equals instant pass. Third, obsessively track your data. David, a trader I coached, committed exclusively for 6 months. First month, 9 trades, 44% win rate, but average winners $3,200, losers $1,100, profit factor 2.9. By month 6, win rate 48%, average winners $4,100, total profit $78,000 on a $50,000 starting account. The amateurs around him were still chasing 5-minute charts, losing an average $200 per month. The difference wasn't intelligence, it was protocol and identity. Your final maxim: the 4-hour chart forges consistent traders. The 5-minute chart destroys accounts. Master this foundation, and the next skill, smart pyramiding on winners, will multiply your returns exponentially. The 4-hour chart is waiting. The pros are already there. Will you join them or keep chasing the 5-minute illusion? The choice is yours.